The Art of Graphic Design GDA103. Handout 3. Course Learning Outcome 346. 3. Demonstrate the knowledge of aesthetic. 4. Employ design elements to achieve a desired effect. 6. Create and use graphic designs in an effective way. We will cover one main objective. Elements of design. Elements of design are point, line, color, texture, value, shape, form, space. Point. It's a spot equal dimensions, tiny in the space. The point is the most basic elements that go into any design or configuration, as it always represents the beginning of the movement of lines and the convergence angles. Some designers considered the essential ingredient for the rest of the elements. Lines have different lengths, widths, textures, directions, and degrees of curve. A mark made by a moving point that has length and direction often defines a space and may create an outline or contour, define a silhouette, create patterns or movement, and the illusion of mass or volume. Types of lines include vertical, horizontal, diagonal, straight or ruled, curved, bent, points, angular, thin, thick or wide, interrupted, dotted, dashed, broken, blurred or fuzzy, controlled, freehand, parallel, hatching, cross-hatching, meandering, and spiraling. Color is an element of design that is derived from reflected light. Color has three properties: hue, value, and intensity. Properties of color. Hue, the name of a color. The primary hues are red, yellow, and blue. There are primary colors, secondary colors, and tertiary colors. Value refers to the lightness or darkness of an object. Intensity refers to the warm colors and cool colors. Warm colors are a group of colors that consist of reds, yellows, and oranges. Cool colors are a group of colors that consist of purples, greens, and blues. Complementary colors are colors that are opposite to each other on the color wheel. Complementary colors are used to create contrast. Analogous colors are colors that are found side by side on the color wheel. These can be used to create color harmony. Monochromatic colors are tints and shades of one color. Texture is the element of design that refers to how things feel or look as if they might feel if touched. Texture can be hard, soft, rough, smooth, slippery, sticky, and scratchy. Texture is perceived surface quality. In art, there are two types of texture: tactile and implied. Tactile texture. Real texture is the way the surface of an object actually feels. Examples of this: cotton balls, tree bark, puppy fur, etc. Implied texture is the way the surface on an object looks like it feels. The texture may look rough, fizzy, gritty, but cannot actually be felt. This type of texture is used by artists when drawing or painting. Actual textures can be felt with the fingers, while simulated textures are suggested by an artist in the painting of different areas of a picture. Value is the element of design that refers to lightness or darkness. Value is an especially important element in works of art when color is absent. This is particularly likely with drawings, lithographs, photographs, and sculpture. Value scale. A grayscale, a series of spaces filled with the tints and shades of one color, starting with white or the lightest tint on one end, and gradually changing into the darkest shade or black on the other. Shape is a two-dimensional area that is defined in some way. It can be defined through line, color, or value. Shape has only height and width. Shapes can be categorized into two different types: geometric and organic. Organic shape: an irregular shape, or one that might be found in nature, rather than a regular mechanical shape. Geometric shapes that are created through use of mathematics. These shapes include circle, oval, triangle, square, rectangle, hexagon, octagon, and pentagon.
Created using Powtoon.